Africa has dismissed an application that was brought by MK, a political party, where they were actually against Ramaphosa handling of the Min Mnchunu suspension and quite a number of issues. Firstly, it denied even the MK political party direct access. Greetings and welcome on your love channel on Nipani Global News. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. Let's listen to a very short judgment. It was very, very short. Let's just listen briefly.
The Constitutional Court has considered the application for exclusive jurisdiction and direct access. It has concluded that the application does not engage the court's jurisdiction and no case has been made out for direct access. And the following order is made. 1. Direct access is refused. 2. Courts are reserved. 3. Reasons for this order shall be given at a later date. Thank you.
That's how brief the judgment was, and they've said that the reasons for this judgment would be furnished at a later stage. I mean, this was one of the very quickest judgment to be handed down by the Constitutional Court of the Republic of South Africa. It may face serious scrutiny, especially from those within South African quarters who strongly believe that Zuma and MK political party are victimized by the state institutions in South Africa. The mere fact that I think the arguments were heard yesterday and today a judgment was handed down by the very same Constitutional Court, but at least there is a relief because on cost the Constitutional Court did not actually punish the MK political party. Remember, it's not yet over because the court denied direct access, which means the MK political party still have got an opportunity to approach either the High Court and then the Supreme Court. If it fails in these levels, then it may come back to the Constitutional Court. What was actually denied was to jump all these other courts and seek direct access to the Constitutional Court. The Constitutional Court was not actually convinced by the reasons that were given by the MK political party to do direct application to it. This means the MK political party can now go back to the drawing board and start from the lower court. It did not actually dismiss the matter. The matter was actually dismissed on technicalities. In fact, they refused direct access. That is reason number one. And then, so if that's the case, it simply means the MK political party still has an option because the Constitutional Court did not deal with the merits of the matter. It did not deal with the merits of the matter. So to suggest that MK political party has lost this case, it is far in fact from being over. It can actually go back from the lower court. I think it will be the High Court. The lawyers can make the very same application as well as arguments to the High Court, and then if they are denied, they can always go to the Supreme Court and then back to the Constitutional Court. So what was denied is direct access, whereby a political party which is agreed directly approaches the Constitutional Court without seeking remedy from the lower courts. So this is the wisdom of the judges of the Constitutional Court of South Africa. So it's far from being over, as long as MK political party is still willing to fight this. So they will go back to the drawing board, and neither there is, I mean, the Ramaphosa at this stage cannot also celebrate, because I strongly believe that MK political party would not actually give up on this case. They are going to make sure that this matter is taken to the right court, right up to the constitutional court. So MK political party at the moment not actually receiving the desired judgment based on today's judgment, because they were denied direct access. So it was a judgment on technicalities. So the justices of the Constitutional Court saying they are going to furnish the reasons on why they reached this conclusion at a later stage. But some people may say this is a constitutional matter. MK political party deserved to be heard at least by the Constitutional Court, because the matter is urgent. It requires an urgent redress, but well, it is what it is. The wisdom of any court in this world takes the center stage. It remains to be seen what exactly would be the next option of Umkhonto Wesizwe political party led by the former president of the Republic of South Africa, that is Jacob Gedleyihlekisa Zuma. At the moment, a temporal relief for Ramaphosa, because the matter was not dealt with in terms of merits, but it was dealt with in terms of technicalities, of which they are saying MK political party approached the wrong courts. The wrong court according to the wisdom of the Constitutional Court bench. So, which means it's legally it's not actually over. They can still go back to the drawing. What exactly is MK fighting against? They are saying the way the president of the Republic of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, handled the Senzo Mnchunu matter, Minister Senzo Mnchunu of Police, following allegations which were made by the KZN Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwananzi, was unlawful. They say choosing someone outside the cabinet to act, that was an unlawful decision made by the president, and also the appointment of a judge to look into the allegations made by made against the Minister of Police Senzo Mnchunu by Nhlanhla Mkhwananzi of KwaZulu Natal. They are saying the mere fact that the judges, all judges of South Africa, were fingered in that matter, they are conflicted as such. They shouldn't be handling that matter to prevent bias in quotation marks. Thank you very much for watching us. If you are watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button, so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. You can financially support this channel by pressing the subscribe plus button and be part of our members who are the heartbeat of this channel. You can equally do so by pressing the thanks button and send us stars. Umhlabane is signing off. Let me love and leave you. Let's meet on the other side of the live.